Shalom, Garden family. Welcome to the channel. Today is, oh my goodness, Wednesday, I believe the 12th, and it is nippy out. I mean, it is absolutely nippy, meaning that I am cold. So I'm going to do this real quick and let you see some of the broccoli that's going on out here and the onions. Um, all the kale and everything is looking good over here. Matter of fact, I'm going to go harvest some because I'm going to make a smoothie. So let me go on over here. Let's see if I can't get some kale. And I wanted to show you what I did to, oh, I got little bugs crawling on me already. My goodness. But yeah, I'm just gonna harvest some of this kale real quick to put in a smoothie and show you what I did to my garden bed. I had to prepare it for some yeah, so this is just cut and come again. I really don't do anything special. I just take it and pick it off. And it'll come back. Something's over here eating this bed right here for some reason. I don't know why. This bed is different than this one. It's the exact same crop. So I'm going to have to come out here and try to do something about that. I harvested all my chickweed. This bed over here is looking good. I put some, although the Spanish thyme is not doing well. I don't know why. Hopefully she'll catch up. She was definitely, took off when I first planted her. Something's eating this. I don't know if it's a rabbit. I don't know if it's a possum, but something is having fun. Something's having fun. All these need to be transplanted. They get ready to be transplanted. We might be getting rain. That's what it feels like. All my little flowers are blooming. This is my little garden bed here, my little pollinators, my little pollination garden here. So yeah, all the carnations and all the, I think it's hydrangea. I can't remember the name of these things. I never can. Are all growing. I do feel some droplets. And let's see. Everything over here still looking good. I got some things coming up over here. Awesome. The kale and stuff, musty greens, all this stuff looks good. What is this? I need heads up. That's a red clover right there. I need to go ahead and put that in the ground too. The marigolds. But I'm going to swing around real slow and let you see this bed here. This bed, remember, isn't that beautiful? Used to house the, I'm going to pick some broccoli leaves off of here too to go on my smoothie. Let me see here. Yeah, I think this is enough. Maybe I need some more kale. Anyway, I'll get back to that bed. I need to go over here and get some more kale because I need for this to be a nice smoothie with some good veggies in it. So I hope everybody's enjoying their garden season. Mine is absolutely amazing. I got big things going on in this garden, and I want to keep it that way. You see my little drip irrigation? Yes, it's a shower head hooked to a hose. Don't laugh. What I'm telling you, it's doing the job, keeping things over here moist, okay? The pomegranate's looking good. She's grown a lot, though. My goodness, she's grown a lot. That pomegranate has grown tremendously. But anyway, here's the bed again. And you can imagine what I'm going to put in this bed. Up over by the trellis, I'm going to put some green beans over there. In the middle here, I'm not going to put tomatoes this year. I think I'm going to put tomatoes in pots this year. Well, that's what I usually always do. I just set the pots over here, but I'm not going to do that this year. I'm going to have this bed. It's going to be a nice little bed of greens. I'm not sure where I'm going to put my watermelon. But I got 2 watermelons that are ready to grow. Get transplanted. So yeah, everything is looking pretty good out here. Thank you for coming to the channel. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Thank you for the traffic over at my website. I am so grateful. Right now, I shut my website down. It's not really shut down, but I'm revamping it because I'm going to start fresh. And but thank you for all the traffic. I appreciate it. Folks have gone over there. Thank you for all my wonderful subscribers, my faithful subscribers. Renee's Garden, Patricia Nube, Mike's Chaotic Garden, Angela's Garden, Angela's Busy Bee, should I say. I can't name you all, but I'm going to do a special shout out to all my beautiful subscribers that come out and comment on all my videos. I appreciate you. And remember to always do your best. Be blessed. And grow something. I mean, seriously, grow something. Anything. All praises.